Here's a step-by-step guide for shutting down a PC using command prompt. Access command prompt. Press Win plus X and select Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell from the menu. Alternatively, type CMD in the search bar and open Command Prompt. Enter Shutdown command. Type in shutdown/s and press Enter. This will immediately initiate the shutdown process. Add a timer. Optional to add a timer before shutdown. Use the /t flag followed by the number of seconds. For instance, shutdown/s/t60 will schedule the shutdown after a 60-second delay. Confirmation and countdown. Once the command is entered, you'll typically see a confirmation message indicating a shutdown in progress and a countdown if a timer is set. Shutdown completion. The computer will shut down either immediately or after the specified time, depending on the command used.